How to create an account on the Xaman Wallet. Click create an account. Get a pen and a paper because you're going to have to write down your seed phrase. This seed phrase is how you access your account. Never give out your seed phrase to anyone, even if they say they work for Ripple. They are lying. This is how you access your funds. If someone gets access to this, they get access to all your money and you might not ever see it ever again. Write back down the seed phrase into the Xaman Wallet to make sure that you have everything correctly written down. This is just to confirm. As you can see, I made a little bit of mistakes. Okay, perfect. Now click next and then click next again. Now add a layer of security. You can label your account. This is very perfect, guys. This is perfect. Now click activate your account. If you don't live in New York, you can purchase XRP directly from the Xaman Wallet. Click buy XRP. Use one of these websites. Congratulations.